Ever dreamed of being the boss, calling all the shots, and living the high life as a CEO? Think again. What if I told you that the glamorous world of CEOs isn't all it's cracked up to be? In this video, we'll pull back the curtain on the hidden realities of life at the top. You'll discover why even the CEO of the world's most valuable company says he wouldn't do it all again if he knew what he knows now. If you don't watch till the end, you might be blindsided by the crushing weight of responsibility and isolation that comes with the corner office. Subscribe now to uncover the truth about what it really takes to be a CEO. 1. The glorified recruiter. From doer to delegator, as a CEO, your role shifts dramatically from hands-on work to strategic hiring. Your success now hinges on your ability to attract and retain talent smarter than yourself. Take Elon Musk, for example. Despite his technical prowess, his true genius lies in assembling teams of brilliant engineers at SpaceX and Tesla who turn his visions into reality. This transition can be challenging for many first-time CEOs who struggle to let go of the operational tasks they once excelled at. 2. The art of becoming dispensable. Building a self-sustaining machine. Your ultimate goal is to create a company that runs smoothly without your constant involvement. This means developing robust systems and empowering your team to make decisions. Jeff Bezos exemplifies this principle at Amazon, where he's been able to step back from day-to-day operations while the company continues to thrive. The true test of a CEO's leadership is whether the organization can maintain its success and culture in their absence. 3. The CEO psychologist. Mastering the carrot and stick. Understanding human motivation becomes a crucial skill. You'll need to balance incentives and accountability, tailoring your approach to each individual. Richard Branson of Virgin Group is renowned for his ability to inspire and motivate employees across diverse industries, creating a culture of innovation and engagement. Effective CEOs often find themselves spending a significant portion of their time managing personalities and resolving conflicts within their teams. 4. The boring path to success. Mastering the basics. Contrary to popular belief, it's not groundbreaking innovations that drive success, but perfecting the fundamentals. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has achieved phenomenal success by focusing on sound financial principles and consistently making smart, if unexciting, investment decisions. This approach requires discipline and patience, often going against the allure of chasing the next big thing. 5. The CEO's triple threat. Cash, vision, and people. Your priorities must be clear. Ensure consistent cash flow, maintain a compelling vision, and build a strong team. Steve Jobs exemplified this at Apple, balancing financial stability with a revolutionary vision for technology, all while assembling a world-class team of innovators and designers. Neglecting any one of these three pillars can quickly lead to a company's downfall, no matter how strong the others may be. 6. The million-dollar hire. Investing in top talent. The right hire can exponentially grow your business. When Netflix CEO Reed Hastings brought on Ted Sarandos as Chief Content Officer, it transformed the company from a DVD rental service to a global streaming powerhouse and content creator. However, attracting and securing top talent often comes at a premium, requiring CEOs to make difficult decisions about resource allocation and long-term investment. 7. The costly mistake. The perils of bad hires. A single bad hire can poison your entire organization. Uber's troubles under former CEO Travis Kalanick serve as a cautionary tale, where a toxic culture led to scandals, lawsuits, and eventually Kalanick's ouster. The ripple effects of a poor hiring decision can persist long after the individual has left, underscoring the importance of thorough vetting and cultural fit in the hiring process. 8. The customer whisperer. Listening your way to success. Direct customer feedback is invaluable. Jeff Bezos' famous empty chair in meetings, representing the customer, underscores Amazon's customer-centric approach that has driven its massive success. However, balancing customer desires with business realities and long-term strategy can often present CEOs with difficult trade-offs. 9. The paradox of hard work. Smarter, not harder. At the CEO level, success isn't about working longer hours, but tackling more complex problems. Satya Nadella's transformation of Microsoft demonstrates how strategic thinking and problem-solving can revitalize a tech giant. This shift in mindset from quantity to quality of work can be a challenging adjustment for many executives accustomed to climbing the corporate ladder through sheer effort. 10. The vision carrier, inspiring belief in the future. As CEO, you must embody the company's vision and inspire others to believe in it. Elon Musk's ability to rally employees and investors around ambitious goals for Tesla and SpaceX, despite numerous challenges, exemplifies this trait. The pressure to maintain this visionary persona, even in the face of setbacks or personal doubts, can be immense and emotionally taxing. 11. The constant gardener. Regular business pruning. Periodically cutting costs and inefficiencies is crucial. Jack Welch's famous fix, close or sell policy at General Electric in the 1980s and 1990s helped transform GE into one of the world's most valuable companies. However, these decisions often involve difficult choices that impact people's livelihoods, requiring CEOs to balance compassion with business necessity. 12. The broken record, reinforcing key messages. Consistently reiterating important information is essential. Howard Schultz's return to Starbucks as CEO in 2008 involved constantly reinforcing the company's core values and vision to employees, helping to revitalize the brand. This repetition can feel tedious to the CEO, but is critical for ensuring alignment across large organizations. 13. The pace setter, leading by example. Your work ethic sets the standard for the entire organization. Mary Barra's hands-on approach at General Motors, visiting factories and engaging directly with employees, has helped drive a cultural transformation at the automotive giant. However, maintaining this level of engagement while managing other CEO responsibilities can lead to burnout if not carefully balanced. 14. The lonely at the top syndrome, finding your peer group. The unique pressures of being a CEO can be isolating. This is why CEO peer groups and organizations like YPO, Young Presidents Organization, have become so popular, providing a support network for leaders facing similar challenges. The inability to share certain information or concerns with employees or even family members can create a significant emotional burden for many CEOs. 15. The game-changing hire. One person away from transformation sometimes, a single strategic hire can revolutionize your company. When Google hired Eric Schmidt as CEO in 2001, his experience and leadership complemented the founder's vision, helping to guide Google's explosive growth. Recognizing the need for this type of hire often requires a CEO to acknowledge their own limitations and be willing to share power, which can be a humbling experience. If you're intrigued by the prospect of financial freedom and the challenges of leadership, keep watching our previous videos. We dive deep into the strategies for success and the unexpected twists and turns on the path to the top. The journey of a CEO is filled with surprises, both exhilarating and daunting. To learn more about how you can prepare for this rollercoaster ride and potentially unlock your own path to success, click the link in the description below. Your future self might thank you for taking this crucial step towards understanding the realities of life at the pinnacle of business.